Hello, welcome back to the ITT Hub virtual show here in Newquay. Today is day 2, supporting and listening to our customers. And you can see we've been busy. The pens have gone, the polos have gone. It's a good job we hung on to the pasties, or else they'd have been gone too. So when our customers purchase Accelerator, it's not just about buying a system. It's about being part of a whole network, which of course includes our support team. They're always there, on the phone, waiting, listening. We also have a My World customer support portal that everybody has access to. So we all know what's going on, we all know what each other's doing, and we know which customers have which problems and which need sorting out fast. So they're always there. When it comes to customers, yesterday we talked about fleet and we talked about commercial vehicle workshops. But our network of customers, what we call the professionals, is much wider than that, a much bigger experience base. We have customers from Fort William to Falmouth, from Newry to Norwich. They're all over the place, and it's a real diverse, rich blend of customers. We have vehicle manufacturers, we have trailer specialists, we have tanker specialists, we have companies that build and refurbish refuse vehicles, we have hire companies. The list goes on, and they all have their own peculiar requirements for configuration. Everyone has the same system, but we set it up for each individual company to suit their exact needs. And we're always adding to the system. So, as an example, let's go to Exeter, to Harrymore Commercials. They're a workshop company, and they've been with us for quite a while. Let George speak for himself.
Hi, I'm George Moore from Harrymore Commercials. We've been using Accelerator for 11 years.
Wow.
Time has really flown by in that time, but we've gone from when we started, we were just a small garage, one computer, and now, 11 years on, we've got, half a dozen administrators with access to Accelerator, extra modules, and, they've been with us the whole way. So, it's really on the up and up.
Good. And I think before you bought Accelerator, you had another system, but you couldn't get your invoices out fast enough. Is that the issue?
Yeah. The company, we were running a DOS-based system and Trace, which it fit for purpose, but it was nowhere near as user-friendly, easy to train and use as what Accelerator is.
So now you get all your invoices out as quick as you can?
Yeah, since we did the development, you guys set up the email invoicing system for us. We send emails with invoices every day at the click of a button. There's no more printing, folding, and putting them in letters or posting anything. Everything goes out instantly.
Fantastic. And how are you going on with it? Sorry, how are you going on with your ATF lane, George?
Yeah, well, you guys have just done a load of development for us on it now. So, obviously the ATF with the coronavirus is all shut down at the moment, but management-wise of it, with the modifications, it's going to be a lot easier.
Good. Good.
Works well for us.
Good. And you also got a link up to your website for parts ordering, but I believe people don't actually order on the site. They just use it to reference and then ring you up. Is that correct?
Yeah, you guys set it all up, so it links to our stock list and Accelerator. We can upload images and whatever we want. And then, every day it uploads to the website, updates all of our stock. So the customer rings us up and says, I think I need this part. I'm not sure, is this the right bit? We can send them to the website to have a look, and they can have a look at the pictures of it, see if it looks right, and vice versa. Sometimes customers are searching for something particular on Google. If they put the part number in or similar description, it will bring our website up, and then they end up calling us and saying, look, I found this on your website. Do you have it in stock? Can you send it to us? So that side of it works quite well for us, but we're not like an e-commerce type site where we push all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, so that's fantastic. So you've been with us 11 years. What do we have to do to keep you for another 11 years? Are you happy with what we're doing?
Yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. Yeah, the support team are great. They're always there on the phone. We put stuff on My World on the support site, and that works well. Know them all by name, which is great. It's nice, friendly support. Dealing with a different person every time you ring up, and I can't really knock it, really.
Smashing. So you're coming back fighting bigger and stronger now. Hopefully this lockdown's over.
Well, yeah, we've got push through the rest of this year then, and hopefully start again next year.
Smashing.
Hopefully start repairing the damage from coronavirus, but thankfully we'll still do it.
Lovely.
Transport.
Right. Thanks very much for that, George. Really appreciated. We'll talk to you again soon.
So let's go across now to Fakenham in Norfolk, the home of Jack Richards and Son Limited. They operate a workshop in Fakenham and the rest of their fleet from Northwich in Cheshire. Let's listen to what Dominic has to say about Accelerator and Go Mobile.
Hello, I'm Dominic Purslow, General Manager for Jack Richards. I'm based at our Fakenham depot. We run a fleet of 350 tractor units across the UK and 150 trailers. Our time with the business has been 15 years, and during that period we've gone from the paperwork trail that we all love and know through to a digital age. In doing so, working with Accelerator in the last 3 years, we've been able to move into this technology. Primarily Go Mobile as a product has been invaluable. We've been able to issue tablets to all our workforce so they can work remotely, but we've also been able to make the technicians operate in a cleaner environment. We've removed paperwork, touchscreen technology, control of the business, has streamlined everything we do. It's been a successful project, and we've found that Accelerator's backup has been exemplary, and we look forward to working with Accelerator for the future.
Thanks for that, Dominic. That was a great accolade, and yes, we're looking forward to working on some new projects which I'm sure you've got in mind. So that's almost the end of the show, folks. We'd like to thank you all for coming along. There's just one last thing to do, and that's the pasties. Who's won? It's a random selection. And it's Claire, one of our customers from Fort William. Claire will get free supply of pasties every week for 1 year. Hang on a minute, who thought of this scheme? I guess what we're going to have to do is send her some haggis pasties. Now there's something new for the new year. Okay, anyway, thanks for attending our virtual show. It's been great fun. Everything's gone. We've talked to lots of people. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed understanding some more about Accelerator, Go Mobile, and what we do. Thank you very much for attending. Goodbye.
Good afternoon, everyone. Please note that the virtual show will be closing in 15 minutes. Could all visitors make their way to the exits, please? Exhibitors, many thanks for your support this year. Looking forward to seeing you all at the ITT Hub, Farnborough, May 2021.